you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. Hey, I said come with it, don't it, man? Yeah. What you got running in here, man?
4 XV3 18s on 2 Salt AKs.
Just gonna find a song. Got it looking good in here, man.
All right, looks like we had a mishap for Team Flex on them. They didn't get started. Wes is kind of new to the SBL thing, so he got started a little late, but yeah. You learn to work those dang cell phones, man. What the heck?
That's down one sub?
Mm-hmm. Not bad, huh?
It ain't at all.
It'll still do a 60 with 3 subs.
Really?
Yeah.
You been still running the lanes with him?
I haven't today, no.
This thing is impressive, man. Well, let them know they can find you on social media anywhere.
Not really.
You ain't on that too much.
Hit him where it hurts.
Okay. I'll be. That should. You shouldn't let them know to follow you there. You want? Can she get a demo here?
Yeah.
Okay. Did your mama tell you to go on? Your mama told you to come on?
No, we just see what you got to do.
Ah, you want to see what's going on?
There you go. That Harry song.
One guy said he was gonna come back in and bother the night.
Yeah, he'll probably be back there.
That's what happened. The guy in the room was right. This is the thing, but this is
Ah, he did. Appreciate it, man. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
You gotta go pick her up.
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.